Hello, beautiful people. It's me, your beloved Ekene. Now, so I asking for your subscription. Subscription. Don't mind me. Please subscribe. Yes. Share our videos. Like our videos and follow us. You will never regret. You encourage me to do more. You spending time to do video is not just as a hobby. It's trying to get your voice out there. I want to know if I can contribute positively to the society. If you're making videos and no one is watching, to encourage me, I need your subscription. I've decided, I'm committed, and I have the passion to speak up. We need to hear the raw truth, and this is what I'm trying to do. We do in this platform Bible study, words of exhortation, do sermon, language learning. I'll be teaching Igbo, and I spray all kind of news, but I try to bring out the lesson more. So whatsoever you may think of that you want us to also do in this channel or in this platform, please get to me. Just write. I am there myself to respond to you and also give it a try. So YouTube and all this social media is a good opportunity for us to make sure that we are also giving ourselves hope. Iron sharpeneth iron, and I wish to sharpen someone out there as they also sharpen me by also subscribing. Write, comment, correct if you can. Yes, I will be glad to read and also understand all that you said. I love you all. Thank you for watching. For most of you who already subscribe, who follows me, I owe you my effort. I want to make sure that this mouth shall be used for the work of God, to proclaim the truth and to dig out the truth that will make sense. It's also for family platform. I have kids. Most of the things that I put in here are the things that I will also want my children to watch. Thank you and remain blessed.